Hydroponics is advancing rapidly, but the fundamentals remain the same. Crop performance depends on a perfect balance of several factors. Broadly, these can be grouped into three main categories: environmental, nutritional, and management factors. Each of these plays a critical role in ensuring your plants reach their full potential. Let's break them down. Light is the powerhouse of photosynthesis, and with today's modern LED grow lights, we can fine-tune light spectrum and intensity to suit specific crops. Temperature and humidity need to be carefully managed because fluctuations can stress plants and slow growth. Smart climate control tools like automated sensors, IoT-based monitoring, and AI-driven climate adjustments make it easier than ever to maintain ideal conditions. Airflow, often overlooked, is equally important for preventing diseases and strengthening plant structures. Right gap between each plants makes a crucial role in good airflow between each plants. Together, all these environmental factors set the stage for optimal crop performance. Don't panic if this feels overwhelming. In later chapters, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up and maintain these conditions. Next, let's talk about nutrition. The nutrient solution is the lifeblood of your hydroponic crops. Your nutrient solution must deliver the right balance of macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients like iron, zinc, and manganese. Advanced digital EC and pH meters, along with AI-based nutrient management software, help growers maintain precise nutrient concentrations. Remember, stability is key. When pH drifts or EC levels fluctuate, nutrient uptake suffers. Mastering nutrient ratios and regularly monitoring your solution ensures consistent and healthy plant growth. And if you're wondering, how do I actually balance all these nutrients? Don't worry. We will dive into nutrient preparation, pH management, and troubleshooting deficiencies in the upcoming chapters. Finally, let's look at management factors, the decisions and practices that tie everything together. These include crop selection, system design, and disease management. Choosing the right crop for your system and market demand can make or break your hydroponic venture. Designing efficient systems, whether NFT, DWC, or vertical farming units, ensures plants receive uniform water and nutrients. And of course, proactive disease prevention is crucial. In today's world, we now have access to biological pest control, UV sterilizers for water systems, and data-driven disease prediction tools that help reduce risks significantly. Effective management ensures your system runs smoothly with minimal setbacks. So, success in hydroponics is about creating synergy among these factors. When environmental, nutritional, and management practices work in harmony, you achieve faster growth, higher yields, and resilient, healthier crops. With today's technology and your growing expertise, the possibilities of getting success in hydroponic farming are greater than ever.